In the scorching heat of summer, your garden silently cries out for water. But the biggest mistake isn't watering them, it's doing it at the wrong time. The best time to water in the summer is usually late afternoon, especially between 5 and 7 p.m. At this time, the sun's intensity begins to decrease. Another common mistake is spraying water directly onto the leaves. However, the area the plant truly needs water is around the roots. Watering small amounts every day isn't as beneficial as it seems. Deeper watering allows the roots to reach the lower layers of soil. Overwatering is just as dangerous as drought. Excess water prevents the soil from aerating. This can eventually lead to root rot. Drainage is especially important for potted plants. There's a simple way to tell if the soil really needs water. Insert your finger a few centimeters into the soil. If the bottom layer is still moist, it might be better to wait before watering again. Plant care isn't just about watering. The right time, the right amount, and the right method. Sometimes, even a small watering habit can completely change the health of plants. Stay in harmony with nature.